Texts of a certain standard.
Yes.
You have also been a magistrate for a long time, an advocate for a long time.
Yes,
and when you become a judge, there are certain things we call alarm bells and red flags. Probably an advocate enters into court and you see alarm bells, or a case is brought and you see alarm bells. One of the problems we have is there's a lot of fraud in succession cases.
Yes.
Can you just tell me 3 types of alarm bells that ring whenever you see a succession case? What are the things you look for just to satisfy yourself in your mind that these proceedings are, if I may use the word, kosher? Yes. 3 things.
Okay. Caution number 1 is a person who purports to be a single child. No mother, no father, and if you inquire further, everybody has died. The aunties, there are no aunties there.
Okay, that is one, when the person is alone and is an African. Another one?
Another one is where you see that it's a polygamous family, but one family, especially during distribution, is wants to get everything. So you will wonder where are the others.
Okay.
And
a third one?
A third alarm bell will always be the brothers-in-law who purport to step in for the widows.
Okay.
Yes.
So those are some of the things you look out. You look out for. Thank you. There was a question my colleague asked you about the grants. Yeah, and you said ad colligenda bona. What is the difference between a grant ad colligenda and a grant ad litem? What is the difference?
Grant ad litem is for collection and preservation, and the other one is for filing, for purposes of doing something specific like filing a suit.
So can you use an ad colligenda grant to file a suit?
No.
Okay.
Ad litem.
Okay. Finally, there is this case, the burial case you did.
Yes.
I just want to draw your attention to 1 or 2 things. This case was filed, say, on 18th of September. 18th of September 2020. And then I'm looking at the date of judgment, and it is saying 2nd of September 2020. Would I assume that is a mistake?
That must have been a mistake. Probably 22nd.
22nd.
Yeah, that was.
So it was.
I fast track burial.
So on 18th you had, on 18th it came, and then you delivered judgment on 22nd. After how many days?
If I can, I judgments the next day when it's a burial dispute immediately.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is what I wanted to find out.
Yeah.
And then lastly, and this is just a word of caution, sometimes please be careful with the quotation, because when you say in Virginia, Edith Wambui Otieno versus Joash Chieng Ogo and another, Majanja J 1987 stated as follows. I wish you knew where I was in 1987. I won't say where I was. So just be cautious. You know, you're now, when you become a High Court judge, anything you say becomes a matter of record. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my lord.
The next set of questions will be asked by Commissioner Ngutia.
Okay, thank you, Chair. Good afternoon once again, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Commissioner.
I have 3 questions. One is, when the Chief Justice asked you about your judicial philosophy, I felt as though your answer was moving towards the Bangalore principles kind of stuff and the judicial code of conduct.